Come on, let's go on into my house. Yep, it is my house. Yep. The first thing I like to do when I get home, I like to change hats. I just come over here, got a hat in here, get the hat out, and take this one off and put this one on. That's what I do. This is what I like to drink. It's called a Citra.
I think it's called Citra.
It's called Citra.
It's called Citra, you stupid Arkansas backwards retard.
Alright, let's go see the pigs.
Yeah.
Yeah. The pigs are right in there. You see them? I'll reach in and grab you one. Come on, I got one. Let's make some bacon with it.
Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah. Oh, all right. Here we got spare ribs.
Ow!
Oh, we got some pork chops.
Yeah! Oh, crap.
Oh, we got some ham slices. What was it you wanted?
I wanted bacon.
Oh, let's look a little deeper. Yeah.
There we go.
Here's some bacon.
Thank you.
All right, my big fat sandwich is done. Just take some big fat, put it between two chocolate graham bars, and you got yourself a big fat sandwich.
Oh, that looks good.
It tastes good too. That was good Citra. Ooh. Yep, that's my dog and the cat, and they always play together. I think the dog's embarrassed to be seen playing with the cat, so he went and hid in the doghouse.
Hey, doggy.
There goes the cat going for the dogs. It is so funny to watch them play together. When no one's looking, they're the best friends.